Tomorrow is the deadline to file your taxes. What if you owe and you don't have the money to pay? I'm sure you're nervous and probably a little scared. Joining me this morning is Joy Hall, tax attorney with Strauss. First of all, how nervous should they be? How scared should they be?
Well, I don't think you should be scared at all.
Okay.
Because there are different things that a person can do if they do owe taxes. But the first thing to do is always file the return or file the extension by tomorrow.
Okay.
That's the most important part. If you cannot pay, at least pay what you can.
Okay.
Secondly, the biggest thing is if you know that you can enter into an installment agreement, there are two types of installment agreements. The Internal Revenue Service allows 120 days to full pay your taxes if you just give them a call.
Okay.
Okay. Once you do that, you are able to actually pay it without an underpayment penalty associated.
So that doesn't increase the amount you owe because you're paying late, correct?
Correct. But it will also increase, your interest will continue to accrue.
While
Right, but your underpayment penalty will not be there.
Okay.
Secondly, you can also enter into a 72-month installment agreement, but that incurs a $120 installment agreement fee.
Okay.
And it prolongs your interest payments.
Okay. So, but I think the main thing is to not let it get out of control, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. If you owe for years prior, what's also important is to get current now. You know, get in compliance for 2014. Make this a new year. If you owe for taxes in back years, there's always a program offering compromise that you can enter into with the Internal Revenue Service. Give your tax professional a call. Give me a call at Strauss Troy, and we'd be happy to help you through that.
How are people who are in trouble relieved after they talk to you, but was so frightened before they talk to you?
Yes. I've been known as the fixer because they kind of put their problems on me, and I come in and help them through the procedures, through the process. You know, it's not an overnight thing. You have to go through this for a couple months.
However, there's a solution for everyone, no matter what your problem is, correct?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
How about this? What if they wait? Should they wait until October 15th to file that extension, or should they file that tomorrow?
No, you have to file by tomorrow.
Okay.
It's a form 4868. You can get it on irs.gov and fill out the form, send it in. Make sure it's post-dated by tomorrow night at midnight. Okay,
what if in the last couple of weeks people filed their return early, and the last couple of weeks they realized that their tax return was not accepted? Under what circumstances are they not accepted, and what can they do?
Well, sometimes not accepted means that your Social Security number may be wrong whenever you typed it in, or it could be that maybe the children that you claimed were claimed on a different return. Okay. So some of those things, what you do is you contact your tax preparer or you contact the Internal Revenue Service and you tell them what happened and they will walk you through it.
Okay, so let's talk about that. Let's say it's something complicated like that, like your dependents are on someone else's tax return. How hard is that to reconcile? And what if you can't reconcile it by tomorrow?
Well, it's very difficult to reconcile because the Internal Revenue Service is not where you want to dispute a domestic issue. Okay. The domestic issue should go into domestic court, and the IRS will simply say, work it out with your ex or whoever is taking the children as dependents. That's the sad part.
Joy Hall with Strauss Troy. If you're in tax trouble, give her a call. She's the fixer. She'll help you out. Joy, thanks a lot.
Thank you.